Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to do another Diana reaction, and why not? If you guys keep requesting it and I keep getting recommendations, I'm going to keep reacting for you guys because you guys seem to love Diana and now I do. So yeah, you guys reacted to me a few more videos for me to react to. So in this video we're going to be reacting to Blizzard. So yeah guys, so let's get straight into the reaction and see what Diana is giving us at only 15 years old. Gobsmacked. Right, let's get into it. Oh, this is a different game show. Okay. She has been everywhere. Oh, he's nice. Oh, I love this stage setup again. Yeah, snow. Fake snow, we live. Wow. Her voice is so atmospheric, that's what it is. Straight away. Yeah, going sexy, he knew it was that. I love the riff she has in her voice as well. Oh, don't Nathan, Snow Blizzard. Hello, that's why they're doing it on the stage. Get into it. Get into it. Oh, I love her earrings. No, it's supposed to be the same show. Yeah, she's getting into it again. She really performs. That's what I love about her. Go for it, yeah. Who's he? Oh. Make sure you guys can see me right. She looks like she has tears in her eyes. She's really going for it. Yes, drama! Oh, she's killing it again. Get into it, Diana. Oh, it's really short, this one. It's under 3 minutes. Well, she killed that. I mean, do I expect anything less at this point? But yeah, I think, was this her first time entering this show? Because it's on HTV again, so I'm assuming it's the same show, which is Super or something great. Can't remember. Sorry, my hair's doing its own thing today. So yeah guys, amazing performance as always. I mean, I'm still blown away that it's only 15 here. Thank you for supporting my channel, my reactions to Diana and Dimash recently. Recommend me any more. You know, recommend to me as many people as many performances as you want. I'll take them all on board and I'll get around to trying and react to them all for you guys. So yeah, so without further ado, like and subscribe for more, hit the bell notification to be notified when I put my new video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.